How to package cosmetic boxes. Today, let's take a look. Here we have two boxes, one rectangular and one square. Now, let's see how we can wrap these boxes with a thin film to achieve this desired effect. There's a detail on the film surface, a pull tab with a notch. How can we create this notch using the machine? Next, let's explain the packaging process for the rectangular box. Here, we have a set of equipment. On the left side, there is a manual film cutting device. One of its advantages is that it can be used for samples of different lengths. It can cut the finished product with a maximum length of approximately 380 millimeters. After cutting the product on the left side, you can place each box into the machine on the right side, just like in the video. Once placed, the product automatically comes out, already fully packaged. After packaging, as shown in the video, you can see that the finished products have pull tabs with notches. This means that after the products are packaged using the machine, the pull tabs are completely covered, allowing us to easily tear them open.